Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, I am Sophie, your friendly cleaning girl turned wellness coach. For years, I've scratched my hands on bleach bottles, breathed in sprays that burned my throat, and tossed so many plastic containers it honestly felt wrong. So today, we're talking about something simple but powerful, 10 everyday swaps that reduce harsh chemicals, cut down plastic, and still keep your home clean, fresh, and functional. First, swap plastic water bottles for a reusable stainless steel bottle. This saves money, keeps water colder, and cuts a lot of plastic waste. Next, trade scented candles for beeswax or soy candles. These burn cleaner and still give cozy vibes. Just ensure they are 100% pure. Instead of bleach-based countertop sprays, use a simple mix of vinegar and water. It works great for everyday wipe downs, but avoid stone countertops. Swap disposable plastic grocery bags for reusable fabric totes. They don't rip, hold more, and reduce plastic waste significantly. Replace plastic food storage with glass containers. Glass lasts longer, doesn't stain, and you can heat it safely. Switch from synthetic loofahs to natural cotton or exfoliating washcloths. Natural cloths are gentler, washable, and more hygienic. For floor cleaners, use diluted Castile soap instead of chemical-heavy products. It works beautifully and smells soft and clean. Swap plastic toothbrushes for bamboo toothbrushes. Same brushing power, less plastic ending up in landfills. Trade dryer sheets for wool dryer balls. They reduce static, shorten drying time, and last for months. Finally, replace heavy perfume air fresheners with open windows or essential oil diffusers. Fresh air is best, or a diffuser with light oils. These swaps are not about being perfect. They're about caring for your body, your home, and the planet in small, manageable ways. I've lived the harsh chemical life, and trust me, these changes feel better. So if you want more simple wellness, cleaning, lifestyle, and glow-up tips, subscribe, like, and share this video. And let me know in the comments which swap you're trying first. Until next time, see ya.